Hello everyone, it's me Khurram here with you. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can get rid of this curly hair. Guys, if you're having a problem with the curly hair, then this video could be helpful for you. So guys, now I'm going to start my video, and in this video, I'm going to divide three parts. The first part would be related to the benefits of the ingredients, and the second part it would be related to the quantity of the ingredients, and our last and third part it would be related to our process. So right now we are going to start our video, and here first of all I will let you know about some benefits of the ingredients what we are using for this solution. So right now start. Eggs combined with the olive oil serve as the perfect hair mask to the straightening to your hairs naturally. Both the ingredients not only add strength and shine to your hairs but also prevent hair fall. That was some benefits of the ingredients what we have discussed with you for this solution. So right now we are going to the second part of the video where I'll let you know about the ingredients and the quantity. So guys, for this solution we have needed two ingredients. Number one, we need eggs, and number two, we need the olive oil. So guys, now we'll talk about the quantity. So for the first ingredient, egg, we need 2 in a quantity, and for our second ingredient, olive oil, we need 2 tablespoons. So the ingredients with the quantity has been done. Now we are going to our procedure where I'll let you know how you make it and how to apply on your hair. So guys, now stay connected and we are starting it. This is the step method. The step 1, break 2 eggs in a bowl and add in olive oil. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what we have to do for this step 1. Number 1, take 2 eggs in a bowl. Number 2, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That was our step 1. Now we are going to our step 2, and our step 2 is beat the mixture until it's turned frothy. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what we have to do for this step 2, and this is the simple procedure. Take help of the hand blender to pulp up the egg and the oil mix. So guys, that was our step 2. Now we are going to our step 3, and our step 3 is transfer to a jar to store and use. That was our step 3. Now I'm going to let you know what we have to do for this step 3. Number 1, pour the mask into a jar. Number 2, apply the eggs and oil mask to your hairs, covering every start. Number 3, comb your hairs, and if needed, wear a shower cap. Number 4, let it stay for an hour, then wash it off. And number 5, use a mild shampoo to clean your hair after that. Really, it is very easy to make at your home for the straightening of the hair. Now I'm gonna share with you one important thing. Use it once to have 2 to 3 months natural hair straight. So guys, that was our solution for today. Next time I will come with some other helpful solution. Till that time, take care.